Hello everyone and welcome to DJARCADE Production, the new frontier of audio and video productions in the international dance scene.
Hello and welcome to the channel, DJARCADE tutorial section. In this video, we do not discuss the topic of copyright on published songs. DJARCADE dissociates itself from infringement of copyright on publications, video and audio. Some of the audio material in this non-proprietary video is used purely for educational purposes. In accordance with the rules imposed by the YouTube platform and obviously excluded from any monetization, DJARCADE and the productions of MASHUP cover and remix always uses his own video sequences DJARCADE Production, or royalty-free without copyright, and audio tracks both by DJARCADE Production and obviously by other authors. In the second case, however, always in accordance with the rules imposed by the YouTube platform, and without any monetization, content ID's claim on these videos has no impact on the channel. No strikes or copyright infringement. As anticipated in the third video, today we will upload our demo mashup demonstration file to the DAW/FL Studio Producer Edition. In this phase, before mastering, you can add embellishments, such as uplift, downlift, etc., or missing percussive samples such as crash, because let's remember that the drum parts of the two original files have been completely replaced by a DDR groove loop. Finally, we will do the mastering of the mashup. To simplify, our example file does not require transactional samples like uplift and downlift. We will add just a couple of crashes to reinforce the pattern changes, verse, chorus, etc. We remind you, this technique involves the use of VDJ for the development of the project and SoundForge for the acquisition of the audio flow and the mixing phase, with other techniques and perhaps the possibility of having all the individual audio stems available. We could have processed our mixing directly on the DAW. So all the separate parts, the additional embellishments, both in audio samples and in automation clips, and the various plugins, EFX applicable in the mixer tool. Pre-mastering. Let's open FL Studio, go to pattern mode and set it to song mode. We also set the tempo of the project to 122 BPM. From the browser director, visible on the left, we select our WAV file and drag it onto the arrangement window from the first measure, snap setting a quarter beat. Still from the browser, look for our crash sample and drag it to any point in the arrangement window, but obviously onto another track. The percussive sound does not require any modification. We only calibrate the volume level to mix it best in the mix. After having tested the levels and having inserted the crash in the chosen beats, we prepare for the mastering phase. Note, as a rule, we save the new version of the mix, together with any added and mixed audio tracks, before mastering. In fact, the final mix will be reproduced as a stereo audio track, without an active limiter, on the master output of the mixer tool, to which we apply the plugins for mastering. In our case, only one, Elijah Alpha Compressor. However, having only added the crash sample track to the mix, we opt for direct mastering, because it does not cause an imbalance in frequencies, and in doing so, we skip a step. Mastering. We open the mixer and from the master slot section we deactivate the Fruity limiter, and load the Alliance plugin, Elijah Alpha Compressor on an empty slot. From the select preset menu we choose the one best suited to the audio file and our needs. Let's try the various presets, sending the file to play, activating and deactivating the plugin, etc. Once the choice has been made, we export the audio as a WAV file, giving it the name Demo Mashup and maintaining the default rendering. Let's make sure that the fundamental parameters are correct. That is, mode full song, wave bit department, 24-bit int, stereo, resampling 512 point sync. At this point our test mashup is completed, and so is this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so and activate the bell so you don't miss any updates. If you like this video, leave us a like. Until next time.
DJ Arcade, Groove Me Production, Music Production Studio. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.